What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are doing an install on the FitcamX. It's very important to get a dash cam, so we're gonna do that on the Integra today. Do a little unboxing. Look at that. Got accessories and then the dash cam itself. Let's look at the accessories first. And here you have the wire that plugs into the top. Get a nifty little pry tool. And a USB-C to USB Type A with a SD card and a micro SD card. I'm thinking this is the reader. Awesome accessories. There it is. It is quite massive. And wow, this thing's huge. Alright, so you take this piece off, it just comes out of the middle and you just pretty much just pull it and it'll split. After you take that part out, you'll be able to see more. Yeah. So that one twists lefty-loosey, and then after you apply it, you can pull the whole thing out like that. You need to also remove this. And this one's being held by clips like this, and then you want to pull straight forward. Here's the back of that. So pull at the top, and these are kind of where it's resting. So you'll see the power for the mirror. That's not what you're really using. So we don't need to go actually one step deeper. And to do that, you're gonna need to, unfortunately, loosen this. There are 2 screws here, and then it pops out. Now, if your car does not have the sunglasses, then there are no screws, and you can just pull it straight out. The Integra does have some sunglasses holders, so I'm gonna have to unscrew that. Alright, and the screws that these 2 little things have is you have the screw, and then you also have the little like washer. So make sure you guys keep that all together. Something like that. Alright, after that, this whole thing just pulls straight down. So after that, this whole thing just pulls straight down. It's only held by these 2 yellow clips right here, and that's the little holder. So you can kind of see this is what we need to get access to get the power. Alright, so once you pull it out, this is what we are going to use to tap into for the power of the new camera. So we want to use the harness that was provided by FitcamX and tap into that, and then you can, this powers your lights. So this is the harness that is provided. Now you want to unplug this, and after you unplug it, plug it in like that, and then you make that little connection here. You can see these lights are turning on. Now we want to tuck this one kind of right here. So you see where my finger goes? So you kind of snake it there. That way we can get power to your new unit. And that's it. Screw this back on, and we'll be able to proceed to the next step. So the next step is kind of doing everything in reverse. But you kind of want to fish this little plug right here. So this is the main camera right here. I guess you can take this off. You want to open it because you're going to have to put it in between this. Get that wire plugged in, and it only goes in one way because there's a notch. Grab this bad boy. Try to tuck it, keep it clean. Place right here. And you clip it in. Then we're going to do the mirror. You pretty much kind of do it 10 degrees in, and then you screw it back in like so. And then finally and boom, it's installed. I like it. Ooh, that looks beautiful. That looks clean. So let's get a better look at the fitment and everything. Wow, looks factory. That's amazing. FitcamX. Now you can also download the app. But yeah, well, I'll show you how it looks like from the outside too. Wow. See if you guys can really see that. It looks factory. Amazing. It's like a fun.